I'll find out. Go Big Bad Wolf, 5.3K. It is a suspended family coaster. Me and that kid were like, I was ahead of him, then he went ahead of me. And then I went the wrong way, and of course he got ahead of me.
This is way better than Phoenix Rising.
You think?
Yeah. Oh yeah, this is way better.
Just like Phoenix Rising.
Oh yeah, way better.
That's it. Big Bad Wolf 5K with walking directions. Time-lapse walking directions. I'll bring you in.
Taking all personal belongings
Please like and subscribe.
Thank you for riding the Big Bad Wolf, the Wolf's Revenge, and enjoy the rest of your day at Busch Gardens.
Oh yeah.
Boarding guests, please follow the tracks on the ground